Verifying your Skyscanner account is an important step to ensure the security of your personal information and to access all features of the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Skyscanner account using your registered email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Check for verification email. Once logged in, check your email inbox for a verification email from Skyscanner. This email will contain a link or instructions to verify your account. Step 3. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This will redirect you to Skyscanner's website confirming your email address. Step 4. Complete additional verification if required. Depending on your account settings, you may need to provide additional information for verification, such as a phone number. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Confirmation of verification. After completing the verification steps, you should receive a confirmation message on the website and or via email. Your account is now verified and ready for use. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Skyscanner account and enjoy a seamless experience on the platform.